Hey guys, right now we're walking at the Hardisty trail. So I just want to show you this place. This is really a great walking trail. Yeah, this walking trail was cleaned by volunteers from the residents of Hardisty. Yeah, and yeah, it's a good place to exercise and to walk your dogs. And they really did a good job. I mean, it's like 10 kilometers of walking trail around the town of Hardisty. And right now we're on the lookout for Mother's Day rocks, like rocks painted by our neighbor to celebrate Mother's Day, and she hid those rocks in places along this rail, and right now we're on the hunt for those. You guys found any rocks yet? Walang tuyo naman, mami. Hindi naman masyadong basa. Oh, wait, look. See, there's one. Oh, you want to pick it up, Yasmin?
Yeah.
To pick it up. I found a big stick. Both of you, Izzy. But we need to return it, okay?
Yeah.
Show me. Yeah, because come on, Izzy. 1, 2. Rafi, come here. Come at the background. Look here. 1, 2, 3.
All right, let's find more.
Okay, let's find more. Put it back. Put it back, baby.
Do we need to put it? Do we need to put it back? Okay, we'll just take a picture, yeah. So you guys go on ahead. You guys go on ahead. Oh, I found one. There, oh.
Where?
Look.
Oh, not Raphael. Yours. Your
Look
turn.
at that. Ladybug.
Ladybug. Raphael, it's your turn. Come on.
Your turn, Rafi.
Wow. Show the ladybug. There.
There's another one.
One.
Oh.
Rafi. One. One.
There's another one.
Yay. My turn.
Oh, get it.
It's okay.
There, get it.
Huh?
Get it there. There.
Just breathe. Okay. Wait. One. Sorry, boy. We didn't. One, two, and look here. Open. Okay. No, you should.
Put it back where they can see it. So, we're already on our third Mother's Day rock. So, we're doing good. I think we're winning.
Why are we searching for her, Mom? Huh? Why are we searching for her?
You get a gift if you. How many minimum?
I don't know. Hey, let's look across here.
See, this is what our place looks like in summer. And itong daan na to papunta sa lake. So yeah. Are we gonna cross? I think this side, Mom. Oh, okay. Okay.
No.
That's not.
Let's go on the trail.
So if you like being with nature, then you should love living in small towns. Yan, para po sa mga Pinoy na nakakapanood nito, ito po yung mga simple joys namin dito sa Hardisty. Walking the trail, it's a good exercise, plus you know, you'll get to be close to nature. That big building over there is actually the arena where my kids go for skating and hockey. Some of the areas are flooded, but yeah, it's not. It's open land, so yeah, it serves as I think it serves as a reservoir for the lake too when it overflows. Yeah. Yeah. Well, yung problema lang pag summer, then you have to deal with bugs and mosquitoes, which is like around this area talagang marami, pero hindi naman siya delikado in terms of malaria and all that sickness. Wala namang wala naman dengue at malaria dito sa lugar na amin, but nga lang maraming mga lamok, so talagang mamamantal yung balat mo sa kakagat ng lamok. So again, we are off to another trail. This is another set of trail right here. See, this is a walking trail, and motorized vehicles are not allowed. So yung ibang mga residents meron silang side by side or 4x4s, but this trail is exclusively for people walking. It's not meant for those off-road vehicles. And so today is Saturday, May the Mom, what date is today? May 12th? 13? Yeah, this is today is actually May 13th.
Can you hear all those bird sounds?
Yeah, and there's so many birds. Would you believe we have hummingbirds here? So the other day I bought a hummingbird feeder because last time, I think it's last summer, may nakita akong maliit na, akala ko bubuyog. Tapos when I looked closer, it was a hummingbird, and it was feeding off the nectar of our flower bed. So sabi ko, oh, it's the first time I've seen a hummingbird, so I better get a hummingbird feeder so that ma-encourage yung mga hummingbirds na magpunta sa backyard namin.
Let's maintain our bird feeders today. Okay?
Yeah, and all it takes for you to put in the hummingbird feeder is water, and put some few tablespoons of sugar, because these hummingbirds, they really like the sweet.
You will prepare the nectar, okay?
No luck so far?
Maybe on the flowers laying there will.
Yeah. So that side, that's where the hotel is. So we still have a long way to go.
You know, this flooding area during winter.
Oh yeah, we use this place for
It's a crocus.
tobogganing.
Crocus.
What is that?
Crocus plant.
It's my favorite.
Yeah.
They come out when it's already spring.
Mrs.
Yes, so maraming flora and fauna dito na dito lang sa
crocuses.
Hardisty.
Go down the hill.
So look at that.
Crocuses.
These are beautiful flowers actually, and they're wild. Yeah, and as the wife said, they're crocuses, and they only grow in spring, or start growing in spring. Yeah, so if you're an avid plantito and plantitas enthusiast, then you'll find a wide variety of flora in small towns. So this trail actually breaks in two. I don't know where that leads, but pinili nila ito. So medyo masukal, but at least the path is cleared, no? And we won't get lost.
She saw a rabbit.
Oh yep, well, there's lots of wildlife here. I wouldn't be surprised if we catch a deer or a moose. Hopefully not a moose. Ayan, so pala kami ng day off ni Mrs. ngayon, so we're just taking the two kids for a walk in the trail. Exercise na rin sa amin. Watch out for Mother's Day's rocks, kids.
Deer poops.
Oh, yeah.
Or moose poop.
There's lots of them around. You see anything, Rafi?
Oh, there's one here.
Oh, where?
Here.
We missed it. Where is it? Oh, look at that. I didn't see that. So hard to see. Okay. Oh, you get it, Rafi.
That's better.
Yeah. So,
We're in our number 4 rock.
number 4 na ba?
Yeah.
Okay. So, ganito lang po kasimple yung buhay dito, no? So, wala kaming malls, wala kaming ano ba makikita sa city, wala kaming masyadong mga amenities na makikita mo sa city, pero we do have our own special go-to, like this beautiful nature trail that we're walking into right now. Ayan. So this nature trail is actually accessible from I guess spring to autumn, but hey, I'm not sure if may mga nagwo-walk dito during winter, but I guess there's nothing from keeping them to walk here as long as they have the right clothing, I guess. Sa ngayon, we have enough moisture. Oh, there's another one. Oh, ang talas ng mata ni Mrs. We have enough moisture to prevent the grass fire or brush fire, which is happening across the province, unfortunately.
It's smiling.
Look at that.
Flexible.
Come on,
Okay, show it.
show it.
Found another one.
Oh, where?
Here. Izzy.
Can I see?
I haven't taken it.
Can I see?
No, ma. Okay, swing back.
Huh?
No, ma. There's another one here. Actually, there are 3.
Oh, there you go. Where's it?
Another one.
Oh, you ask mom to take a picture of you, okay? There, put it there. Hey, there's one here too. Look at that. There's lots.
I know.
Oh. Yeah. We thank our volunteer firefighters
There are 3 here.
all throughout Alberta for keeping our communities safe, and our prayer goes out to places like Drayton Valley na in danger of being overwhelmed by grass fires right now. So
Let's return then. Who's next? Raphael?
how many?
3.
3? Where?
Here. They're all here.
Nice. Meron dalawa dun.
Yeah, it's Raphael's turn.
Oh wow.
Yeah, they are all like smiling at us. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Okay. They're so cute. Look, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I will. Wait, I'll be coming there. princess room. Something.
Okay. Go.
Hey, hey, hey.
Izzy, no. The princess room is over there. Where are they? Right
There, over there.
there. Go pick them up.
Pick it up, Rafi.
Right here. No.
It's okay.
This way, boy. Smile. Nice. Your turn. Where are they?
I wanna see.
And there.
See. Oh, Christmas.